Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to do some word problems in which we use the derivative of trig functions. Alright, so take a moment and read this example carefully. So the blade of a saw moves vertically up and down and its displacement y, which is in centimeters, is given by this relationship. So we have y equals to 1.85 sine 36 pi t, where t is the time in seconds. We need to find the velocity of the blade at t equals to 0.025 seconds. And first thing, we know that velocity and displacement, how they are related. So velocity is change in displacement over time, so which means dy over dt. So it means we need to find the derivative. So derivative would be 1.85, which is a constant coefficient as it is. So derivative of sine is cosine of whatever the angle you have, and then by chain rule, since we are taking the derivative with respect to t, and here we have 36 pi t, so we need to take the derivative of inside. So derivative of 36 pi t. So we got 1.85 cosine of 36 pi t, that's our angle, and multiplied by 36 pi. So overall we get 36 pi times 1.85 times cosine of 36 pi t. But our goal is to find the velocity when time is 0.0250. So we're just gonna plug in the value of t here. So plug in here. So dy over dt when time is equal to 0.0250 second. So that is given by 36 pi 1.85 cosine of 36 times pi times 0.0250, and overall this is negative 199 centimeters per second. Alright, so what this negative sign shows, it shows that the blade is moving down at a speed of 199 centimeters per second. Thus, we were able to find the velocity of the blade at 0.025 seconds. So now let's find the slope of a line tangent to the curve of y is equal to 2 sine 3x over x, where the value of x is given 0.15. So we need to find the slope of the tangent. It means first we need to find the derivative, and then we need to find the value of the derivative at x equals to 0.15. So if you want to find the derivative of 2 sine 3x over x, so we know that. So here we need to use the quotient rule because we have something on the top and also the variable on the bottom. So we're going to use our quotient rule. And if you don't remember the quotient rule, so quotient rule was, so we can call whatever is on the top as high and whatever is in the denominator as low. So low d high, so low d high minus high d low, so d means derivative, over the square of what's below. So in this case, so we have square of x square, which is below, and then so our u is on the top and our v is on the bottom. So u as it is, oh sorry, v as it is, so x as it is, derivative of 2 sine 3x minus u as it is, derivative of the denominator. So we get, so derivative of sine 3x would be cosine 3x, but since there is 3x, so by chain rule we need to multiply by 3. So minus 2 sine 3x, so derivative of x is just 1 divided by x square. And then we get 2 times 3 is 6x cosine 3x minus 2 sine 3x over x square. So this is our slope of tangent at any point. So if you want to find the slope of tangent at, so slope of tangent at x equals to 0.15. So basically we just gonna plug in the x value as 0.15. So we get 6 times 0.15 cosine of 3 times 0.15 minus 2 sine of 3 times 0.15, the whole thing divided by 0.15 square. And when we calculate this, so we get approximately negative 2.65. So we get negative slope. So negative slope at x equals to 0.15. So one common mistake. So just make sure when you use the calculator, so your calculator should be in radian mode, otherwise you will get the wrong answer. So put your calculator in the radian mode for both of the problems that we have discussed in this video. I hope that makes sense. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also watch the future videos. See you next time.